Hello everyone, my name is Andres Liu, and this is my presentation about civil engineering. So what is civil engineering? Civil engineering is a field of engineering that conceives, design, build, operate, and construct infrastructure projects and systems. It's one of the oldest branches of engineering and consists of many disciples or branches of engineering. So what are those branches or disciples of engineering? There's structural engineering that designs and makes strong and durable structures. It determines whether or not it's able to withstand collapse or natural disasters. Some of those examples are bridges, stadiums, and large buildings. Geotechnical engineering makes sure the foundation is solid to work with. So those foundations are used to make structures, buildings, dams, tunnels, and embankments. Transportation engineering operate, design, and maintain systems, such as roads, airports, and public transportation. Environmental engineering is different from the last three. It uses new technology or researching in new technology to save the environment from pollution and human neglect. This creates, or some examples are water purification, wastewater collection, and controlling the pollution. Hydraulics, water resources, and irrigation engineering deals with flow mechanics and hydraulic principles. It also uses identification and utilization of water. Some examples is creating dams and canals. So, nature of jobs. Civil engineers have to apply existing technologies and resources to build entire societies with respect of constraints such as politics, budgets, aesthetics, time, resource, environmental concerns, and more. Skills that civil engineers need to have. They need to have good management skills, mathematics skills, understanding rules and regulations, decision making, communication, oral or written, and organizational skills. Tools that civil engineers may use is surveying, remote sensing and GIS, construction technology, architecture, building materials, computers, measurement devices, cranes, concrete mixers, dumpers, and tankers. So what are the types of jobs in this field? There is construction manager, line manager, analytic engineer, design engineer, test engineer, development engineer, sales engineer, research engineer, and consulting engineer. So what applications does it have in the real world? So civil engineering basically constructed everything in society. Anything you've touched, any place you've been to has something to do or relate to civil engineering, such as the Golden Gate Bridge, the city of San Francisco, or New York City. Other examples include every road, bridge, sewer systems, airports, railways, dams, buildings, skyscrapers, and of course entire cities. So what interests me the most with civil engineering is public transportation. So public transportation is of course better for the environment and cheaper when done right. And I've noticed that US is really lacking or behind when it comes with public transportation. And I'm just very, inspired with Hong Kong MTR or Japan's high-speed rail because they work so well in conjunction with their citizens' life. It makes everything way easier. And I'm wondering if we could have the same system or public transportation that many other countries have, and that could benefit our cities or local infrastructure. I'm kind of I'm kind of excited for California high-speed rail. They're trying to make it, but there's been many delays with construction, so I don't know how that's gonna work out, but I hope that I'm able to go to San Francisco to Los Angeles in less than 3 hours. So this is my presentation. Thank you for watching.